city. Tschüss. Hallo, wir in Köln, Deutschland. Just riding through the city right now. Checked out the cathedral, old town, stuff like that. Pretty cool city. I'll show you some shots. We are in, how do you pronounce it? Köln?
Köln.
We are in Köln right now.
Hallo! Köln, kommen Sie nach Deutschland.
Ja.
Hallo aus Köln. Willkommen in Deutschland. Es ist sehr schön hier. Schauen Sie sich den Sonnenuntergang an. Wow!
Beautiful, how do you say it?
Wunderschön.
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 Everything's wunderschön.
Everything is so wonderful.
Everything's wunderschön. It's sounding worse every time.
Like watch it.
Like a whopping 5 people. It's more for myself.
Okay.
It's sunset.
It is so nice.
Tomorrow we go to Rüdesheim, I believe.
Huh?
I'm trying to pronounce. I don't know where I'm going tomorrow. I think Rüdesheim.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. Then Strasbourg, Basel, and that's that. I'll see y'all later in my 5 years. Peace. Auf Wiedersehen. Wir in Rüdesheim am Rhein. So I'm just biking through. Yeah, so just rode back to the town for a little bit. Gonna go get a drink on the ship right now. I guess my parents really want me to do like a coffee tour. 30 minutes, so I suppose I'll do that. But we have plenty of time here. A little too much time, if I'm being frank. Still in contact. The girl from Germany. Very, very nice girl. Plan to see her in November. Yeah, so we are almost back to the ship. So Nice little Parken. Parken Car. I don't know German. Ich bin nicht sure. Mein Deutsch ist nicht gut. Ich hab da gern ein Appellied, Beatles gut bitte. It's like, what's one? So, train. Yeah. It's probably going to Köln and Düsseldorf. So back to the ship. Here it is. Very fun, very nice. And we'll figure out the rest of the day from here, and I'll show you some drone shots. Hello, day is starting to come to an end. It's like almost 7 o'clock here. I'm just gonna have a light dinner on the ship with the parents. I'm gonna take out another bike, go to the city, fly the drone from the ship hot tub if I have time, and that's what will be the day. Yeah. I'm gonna go on a bike ride right now and call it a night. Dinner was pretty good. And that is it. Auf Wiedersehen. Hallo, wie geht's dir? However you say good evening in Deutsch. Here's a bike. There's a wall. There's a plane somewhere out there. And here's me in the middle of some vineyard inside of a mountain / cliff in Rüdesheim am Rhein. Yeah, you get a better view from up here, yeah? Wunderschön, etwas wunderschön. Yeah, very nice. Absolutely gorgeous. So, it's gonna end today. It's gonna be my last clip for today. I do a little POV on the bike. You might see one or two of those videos. On the YouTube channel, just get the views going, you know, people watching these videos. But I think this is a good end. Very nice view, good bike, nice watch, pretty good day. But it's a good end to a day. So yeah, auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Hello. We just left Heidelberg. Walked through the city, and now we are already off. I didn't take much video because my camera was dead, and my GoPro was dead. But now we're stuck in the ship the rest of the day, and we go to Strasbourg. So fun. Auf Wiedersehen. See you in France.
Ok.
Ich habe 3 und wer die Domaine CB Pinot Noir.
Pinot Noir, parfait.
You already know what you want to eat?
Oui.
Because I do. Okay, you want to order for me? I want the veal.
Droit velours.
3 velours.
Oui.
Avec crème et champignons,
Oui.
les 3.
Et 3.
Et l'accompagnement, what side dish?
With the cream and mushrooms?
Spätzle.
Spätzle, les 3.
3 Spätzle. You want Spätzle?
What's spitzel?
C'est local pasta.
It's really good.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah?
And you got this extra for the euro? The
Yeah.
mushrooms?
Yeah.
And you too, sir, Spätzle?
Coton.
Thank you so much.
Merci.
Thank you, man. Thank
Oh,
you.
yeah. Désolé, mon français n'est pas bon. Wir in Strasbourg. Et c'est magnifique. Oui. Allez voir. Il y a voleur, wir Kodangu, Spätzle, voleur.
Enjoy it. If you need anything, make me sign, okay?
Ja, merci. Salade. Bon appétit. Bonjour, nous sommes à Strasbourg. We are in Strasbourg, France. We're in Les Petits France. Very nice here. Je fais practicing parler français. La facture, si vous voulez, absolument délicieux. Getting better. Yeah. Mon français n'est pas bon. But we are leaving Petit France. 2.5 hours to take the bus back to Deutschland, Tal. And then nothing to do on the ship the rest of the day. But the ship's going to depart, unfortunately. So I'll have to come back on my own. But yeah. Au revoir. Good sunset. End of today. Strasbourg, France. We're back in Deutschland, I presume. So hello. But fantastic sunset. Wow, very nice. End of today. Hot tub's closed, unfortunately. But yeah. See you tomorrow in Breisach, Deutschland, Black Forest region, Cuckoo Clock. We'll see cuckoo clocks. Cheers.
So we are going to drive over Kaiserstuhl and then on the other hand